Hey you, are you tired of smelling funky? Are you tired of ass smudges? Are you tired of them little sweat stains that appear right below your arm? And are you tired of people looking at you twice as they walk past you? Well, this is the video I think I owed you guys a long time ago. And this is what we needed to try. Pure Musk. Takes away long odor, takes away ass smudges, might even taste good on your breath. Ever want to smell like fresh laundry? Try Pure Musk. All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Lion's Elixir. Now, I have a lot of fragrances here, and sometimes it just gets hard to go through all these damn things, especially when you're living a full life, you're working, or if you're for me, a parent, a husband. It's hard to get through all these damn things, especially for the hours that I work. But like I said, I'm dedicated to the cause and bringing you guys the best videos and trying to be the best fragrance reviewer, like the best I can. There's more people that know more stuff than me, and there's more people who are more in the industry and all that, and I don't care. I do this because I love fragrances. I love talking to you guys about them, and I love being more educated about them. That's why I'm trying to be very open with my audience. But then I thought to myself, damn, I think I owe my people a video. And I was like, damn, I haven't done Pure Musk like I was supposed to. Like, this shit has just been sitting around and I haven't got to it. Well, today we're gonna do that full review. Remember, if I haven't smelled it, I haven't reviewed it, then I don't know about it. And welcome to the channel, The Lion's Elixir. If you don't know, I'm your host, Juju. And yeah, enough rambling. Let's just get into this bad boy. Okay, since I've already done, I've already sprayed this a long time ago, this is very easy to me. This comes out as very loud, very fresh, and it smells like you pulled a dryer sheet right out the dryer. And I hate to make this comparison, but don't get mad at me. Everybody knows a Mexican lady that just smells like pure, fresh laundry, like you think she just rolled out the dryer. Or, it's just, I don't know what the Mexican community uses, but they always have like the older ladies, they always have this like fresh dryer scent kind of smell on them. And I don't know what kind of detergent or dryer shit, whatever it is, they always smell so damn good. And they just smell fresh. And like I said, it's not a bad smell, but this, just imagine that Mexican lady that smells fresh, but this is on fucking steroids. I swear, like when you spray this, it just smells fresh. You smell musk and it smells fresher, and then it smells like more musk, and then it smells more fresher. So like I said, it's not a bad smell. It smells beautiful and heavenly. It's just on fucking steroids. And that's not what them, the older Mexican ladies smell like. They smell very nice. They smell very floral. They smell very fresh. But this actually reminded me of that. I said, it's not a bad thing, it's a good thing, but I'm sure everybody that's been around the Hispanic community, that's been around an older Hispanic woman, that they know that smell, and it just, like, that's the first image that kind of pops in their head if they've ever been around that. Like I said, before we get into these notes, be warned and be prepared. Like I said, sorry, the cat fell. Like I said, it's a strong atomizer, it's great. But like I said, if you like smell fresh laundry and dryer sheet, this is the smell for you. Now, you're gonna laugh when you hear the notes, because they can't keep this simpler, because this is simple as hell. Like I said, when I smell this, I smell musk. It might be a little floral, but let's just get into the notes, guys. This shit is hilarious. All right, when it comes to the note for, Afnan's Pure Musk, we have musk, okay, we know that's there. White musk, floral notes, that's the top. So musk, white musk, and floral notes. The middle notes are musk. And the base notes, now this might take you off a little track. You're like, wow, I never seen that coming. Natural musk. So there's musk for everybody. You get musk, you get musk, you get musk, everybody gets musk. There's so much goddamn musk in it. I'm like, y'all really kept it, y'all word. It's full of musk. Like I said, I don't know if this smell is for everybody, because like I said, it has so much damn musk in it. It is very overpowering, very overpowering. So like I said, if you love musk, to the T, and love musk that bad, you'll be a great fan of this. When it comes to longevity for Pure Musk, now this did give me 3 to 4 hours. Sadly, it was slowly winding down in between, so you might get 3 to 3.5, maybe even lower than that. But the thing, if you are a musk lover, this is for you. If you are a fan of fresh smells, musk, overly powered musk and more overly powered musk, this is for you. Now, when I did test this out before, this did remind me of like, you just wash fresh sheets and you just lay, you know, like the old commercial, like the Downy or whatever, they just wash the sheets, they took them outside, hanging them on a clothesline, and it's like the crisp sun just absorbs that and takes that in. That's kind of what this reminded me of. And then I got a friendly reminder of when more musk kicked in. It might be a little off, but it kind of made me reminisce about that. So like I said, if you like musk, for you, if you think about something clean, pure out the dryer, for you, if it reminds you of a sweet smelling, beautiful Mexican lady, is for you. Also, this will do better on your clothing than your skin. On your skin, like when you first spray it, it will project hard. If you spray enough, you don't need to spray a lot. Please do not, because it's fucking overpowering as hell, but it's for a short term. So unfortunately, skin, doo-doo. But it's better on the clothing type of thing, because you know, like if a fresh breeze is coming by, or people want to smell something fresh and they don't want to smell the pit stains, hey, they can smell your shirt 3-4 hours, guys. Yeah. For seasons, this is going to be very, very simple. Spring, summer. Spring, take it easy. Give this 2-3 sprays. That's all you need. Like I said, I would just hit like on the shirt, 1, 2, 3. I wouldn't even bother with my skin. Now in the summer, I would probably give it 4 to 5 sprays. Now, if you want to put this on your skin, that's up to you. Me, I kind of wouldn't even waste my time. If I was, I would hit my little pit pocket right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm done. I'm not spraying anymore because, like I said, this comes off as very overpowering. Like I said, it might not be a quite elegant smell for people who don't like musk that much. Like I said, we read the notes to you. It's nothing but musk. It's nothing else. So what else do you need to know? God, it's just fucking musk. If you want to smell like fresh, crisp musk laundry, now this won't cost you too much. I think I picked this up on Jomashop. It only cost me $20.15. Could be yours too. No payment plans included or needed. Like I said, it's a very cheap scent. I think it's a very good way to get into musk if you're trying to experience that in a different way. And like I said, if you're a big fan, you don't have to overspray. It's like, you could use this as a car scent. Actually, I think that's what this would actually be better for. Like a car scent, or maybe the room just needs something to kind of freshen it up and brighten it up, or maybe you have musty people around you or funky and you just need to, you know, hit a little fresh, delicious. Maybe that's all you need, but yeah, only $20. I mean, you can't beat that shit. I mean, you could go smell like ass for free, but I'd rather you smell like Pure Musk for $20. I have no comparisons for this, but guys, I'm just gonna say, if you want to pick up Pure Musk by Afnan, it is a choice for you. For me, I would tell you, if you just want to get somebody a cheap present, or you want to walk yourself into musk and what it kind of is, or if you just like the smell of fresh kind of laundry, but on steroids, like I keep saying, then Afnan's Pure Musk is for you. For me, I probably wouldn't refer it too much. For me, you know, this is more of just a review. I think my wife says she liked this better, or the producer. I was like, but yeah, if you guys want to pick this up and you like laundry, pick it up. If not, you know, I need you guys to sub, like, share this video. And remember, we're trying to be the best fragrance review channel on YouTube for you, that keeps it real and brings you content Wednesday through Saturday every week. So anyways, guys, that's Pure Musk. Yeah, buy it at your own risk. It's only $20 and we're out.